have you ever wondered where's your user manual? So, let's talk about the most famous gadget in the world right now. You know it, you love it. It's sleek, it's shiny, and it probably spends more time in your hand than your family does. Yup, the iPhone. But here's the twist. While we are busy updating our iPhones, we have completely forgotten about the I. You know, the one using the phone, the original gadget, the one that can actually create gadgets. Sadhguru says the iPhone is alright, but the I is the most important thing. iPhone is just a little gadget produced by this larger gadget. And this larger gadget? Oh, it's something else entirely. Your phone's got all the fancy features. But have you ever wondered where's your user manual? You're out here running on outdated software, buffering through stress, crashing into anxiety, and overheating from deadlines. Meanwhile, your iPhone smooth as butter. But here is the twist. This gadget, your body, your mind, you is a million times more advanced. It doesn't just process data, it creates life. It doesn't just take photos, it can visualize entire realities. And forget Face ID. This gadget comes with something far cooler, a smile that can unlock a million hearts. Yet, we are walking around like we are on 5% battery. Why? Because we have mastered engineering the world outside, but inside, total chaos. Sadhguru says the world is engineered the way we want, but are we engineered the way we want ourselves to be? Think about it. We have created a world of unimaginable comfort and convenience. The kind of comfort no other generation could have ever imagined. And yet, are we the most joyful, the most peaceful? Not even close. Instead, we are the most stressed, the most complaining, the most neurotic generation yet. Why? Because we have taken care of the outside, but we have not taken care of the inside. But what if I told you there's a way to upgrade this gadget? A system upgrade for the eye. No extra apps, no monthly subscription, just 21 minutes a day. Sadhguru explains this is a way of activating your energies in such a way that very fundamental chemistry in your body will alter itself within a matter of 2 to 3 weeks. It's called inner engineering. It's not philosophy, it's not religion. This is a technology. You dedicate 21 minutes a day to this simple process, and your internal software transforms. Stress becomes ease, chaos turns into clarity. Once your system comes to absolute ease, there will be no disease. So while you are charging your phone tonight, ask yourself, when was the last time you got a full charge? Because let's face it, the iPhone is great, but the real magic? It's in the eye. Here is the real question. Are you ready to stop scrolling through your phone and start scrolling through your own potential? Because when you learn how to use the eye inside you, you'll realize that the technology of your inner world is the most powerful tool of all.